Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we'll walk through how to apply for a child passport in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant, nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, for your children below 16 year, in Canada, it is issued maximum 5 years. Okay. And after 5 years, there is no way to renew. You need to apply for a fresh passport for your child. But yes, when your child turns 16, they can jump over to adult passport. Okay. Now, like in normal circumstances, when there is no conflict between parents or uh, custody, I would say, custody of a child, it's pretty simple process. Otherwise, there are some complications over here. So I won't go into complications. For simple process, like let's say they like families living together, mom, dad, and child, and they want to apply. So the very first thing when you need, so select as per your need. Child most recent passport, lost, damaged, stolen. I select none of these. So how you are gonna apply? Fill the form, gather all documents, find the guarantor. Okay, guarantor, it's like for a child, what it could be is that like one parent can apply and sign and other can be the guarantor, okay, in general circumstances. Photo specifications are there and most of the professional photographers know like two photographs are required and behind one photo, the photographer provides needs to provide the details when it was taken and like other things, okay, there are details address. So we'll go through the form, okay. Oh, sorry. This is the form. Okay, guys, so this is the form. Okay, so surname as for your child. Okay, I'm just putting sample and it needs to be in the block letter. Okay, so when you're typing, make sure you type as per your case. Former surname is there, place of birth, you can type here. Most details you can type, so nothing to worry about. Do it as per your case, guys. Provincial territory. Anticipated date of travel. So if you don't know, just put no because if you put, they may ask for a proof. Okay. Date of birth. So less than 16 years. So I'm going to pick something. Let's say February 1. Why not? Gender, eye color, black, height like centimeter or inches. So I'm just putting sample. Let's say 40 centimeter. Okay. Current home address. You need to put where mailing address if different. You need to put. Children under 16 year of age are not required to sign the form. However, 11 to 15 are encouraged. Generally, people do. Okay. No one other than child must sign in the signature box in section 1. Okay. So even if you're a parent, you're not going to sign here. This is not for you. Okay. But yes, if your child is capable enough to sign, they can. Of course, a baby cannot, but even small kids can do nowadays. Is the child currently subject of an adoption process? No. Are there any separation agreement, court, and legal? So if you have those things, you need to put because based on that, it will be relation between the applicant and the other parent or uh, I said married. Both are married. Date of marriage when parents were married. Applicant, parent, or okay. So now this is the parent that's applying as an applicant, and this is the other applicant. Like for example, father here, mother here, or mother here, father here. Anything. Your name details, former name, date of birth, country of birth, home address, telephone number, email address, signature. Okay. Signature is pretty important, and this like date still you can type. For example, let me see if I can type it. No. Signed at this also cannot. So this section needs to be handwritten. This one, signature under section. Fine. Previous Canadian travel document. As the Canadian travel document passport has been issued. So that's why when I said renewal, there's no renewal, but apply, yes. But if it was issued before, provide that information. This will definitely uh, like ease the process. Would you like the previous part to be cancelled and returned to you and will securely destroyed? I'll select yes, why not? Proof of Canadian citizenship. Yeah, so this one works really well for a child. Canadian Provincial Territory birth certificate original. Basically, if you go to the counter, okay, they will check, verify, and check the details and return it back to you. But yes, you have to fill register number, date of issue. You'll find it over declaration of applicant. So here the applicant, here the parent who is applying. Okay. Okay, your name, your surname, given name, relationship with the child like father, mother, whatever, surname, given name of your child, okay, your sign, and this probably you can do. Let me see. No, not this, also not this, but yeah, this you can easily do. Declaration of guarantor. Okay, so guarantor, as I said, let's say dad is applying, so mother can apply. Okay, the relationship to the applicant. Okay, all these things are there. Full name of child, yeah. Signature of guarantor. So yeah, this could be spouse, relationship with the applicant. Applicant, parent or near guardian. Yeah, fine. And signature of guarantor, signed that date, number of years known. So that's fine. Emergency contact information option, but it's always good to do. Why not? Okay. And then there are checklist. If you're applying by post, then only you need to put the credit card. Otherwise, that's not required. Fine. Now let's go back to the checklist. Okay, birth certificate is very important. Okay. Proof of parentage. Okay. Or proof of legal guardianship. So what is the proof of okay. Okay, the documents related to custody in this. Okay, any valid document issued child name, yeah, previous. To identical passport photo. Okay. Guarantor we already did. And guarantor signature is also required on back of one or two photos. Okay. Submit application. Okay, that's fine. I have already made a video how to book an appointment, so that you can go for. Now proof of parentage. What is this? As of proof parent are required with every child passport application. Okay. A detailed long form birth certificate. This includes the name of the parents, the court issued. Okay. Perfect. So I think this birth certificate itself covers this. If the surname, last name of a parent or proof parentage is different, then they need to prove the document with like marriage certificate and other legal name change document. But in general cases, that itself suffices. So that's how it can be done, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. When you go to the counter, you can pay with Visa. Okay, it's pretty simple. And if you see uh, fee, yeah. In person, you can use Visa card. Fee for child passport, 57. Express pickup, the other fee are okay. Within 2 to 9 for $50. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So when you apply by post, you don't need to send original. But yeah, then you need to put that or original of some documents. You can read in that in checklist. And yes, in that case, you need to fill the credit card column. But for in person, no, right at the counter you can do. And it goes very smoothly. And if all things are good, it's all good to go. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.